Welcome to Pharma 322. Today, we will discuss the sources of drugs. First is the fixed oils. Fixed oils are also known as carrier oils. This means that they are used as base oils that dilute essential oils before topical usage, as the latter are much potent to apply directly to the skin. The said oil can also give an aromatic and therapeutic effect to the user when mixed with essential oils. Chemically, they are esters of long fatty acids and glycerol of high molecular weight. Examples of these fatty acids are oleic, palmitic, and stearic acids. They are also non-volatile in nature and leave a permanent translucent greasy spot on the paper. Non-volatile means that they do not readily evaporate into gas in existing conditions, thus it is named fixed oil since they remain fixed on the skin. Fixed oil also undergoes saponification reaction. It means that this substance is involved in the process of making soaps. They are also rancified on exposure to air, thus developing a disagreeable smell upon exposure to air or light. They are also decomposed on distillation. This type of oil are also non-irritant. Hence, it is safe to apply this kind of oil to the skin. They are also insoluble in water but soluble in ether, chloroform, and alcohol. Sources of fixed oils. This type of oil is mostly present in plants, such as seeds, nuts, and kernels, but it can also be extracted from different animal sources. Examples of these plant sources are castor beans that produce castor oil, olive drupes that make olive oil, apricot kernels to apricot oil, and more. While animal sources such as fish liver makes cod liver oil. In pharmacology, many fixed oils are utilized for pharmaceutical necessities or excipients, as well as solvents or carriers of a variety of medicinal substances. Therapeutic effects of fixed oils include mild laxative, meaning it prevents or treats constipation by increasing bowel movement, and emollient, which means that it helps in preserving the moisture on the skin. Fixed oils that have this kind of therapeutic effects are apricot oil, which helps preserve the moisture in the skin, baobab oil, repairs skin damage and UV exposure, castor oil is a mild laxative and also function as a lubricant, and camellia seed oil have antioxidants that protect against damage.